adventurers. Ready to explore the windy city like never before? Chicago's got it all. Stunning skyscrapers, mouth-watering food, and hidden gems that'll blow your mind. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best things to do in Chicago for an unforgettable adventure. Stick around to discover insider tips, fun facts, and a surprise at number 1 that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Number 10. Taste deep dish pizza at Malnati's or Pequod's. Chicago's deep dish pizza is a foodie legend. With its thick, buttery crust and layers of cheese, it's a meal you'll never forget. Malnati's and Pequod's are fan favorites. Did you know Pequod's caramelized crust has a cult following? Over 1 million pizzas are sold in Chicago annually, and 80% of locals swear by deep dish over thin crust. Number 9. Stroll the Chicago Riverwalk. The Chicago Riverwalk is where urban vibes meet nature. This 1.25-mile stretch along the Chicago River is perfect for a scenic walk, kayak adventure, or grabbing a drink with a view. Fun fact: the river is dyed green every St. Patrick's Day, using 40 pounds of eco-friendly dye. Number 8. Visit the Art Institute of Chicago. Art lovers, this one's for you. The Art Institute of Chicago is one of the world's top museums, housing over 300,000 works of art. From Van Gogh to ancient artifacts, there's something for everyone. Did you know it's been voted the #1 museum in the U.S. by TripAdvisor? Number 7. Ride the Ferris wheel at Navy Pier. Navy Pier is Chicago's playground. The Centennial Ferris wheel stands 200 feet tall, offering epic views of the skyline and Lake Michigan. Over 8 million people visit Navy Pier annually, making it one of the Midwest's top attractions. Number 6. Explore Millennium Park and Cloud Gate. Millennium Park is Chicago's crown jewel, and Cloud Gate, aka the Bean, is its shiny star. This 110-ton sculpture reflects the city's skyline in a surreal way. Fun fact: over 20 million people visit the Bean every year, making it one of the most photographed landmarks in the U.S. Number 5. Catch a game at Wrigley Field. Wrigley Field is more than a stadium. It's a Chicago institution. Home to the Cubs since 1914, it's one of the oldest ballparks in the U.S., even if you're not a baseball fan. The electric atmosphere and nearby Wrigleyville bars make it a must-visit. Did you know Wrigley's ivy-covered walls are over 80 years old? Number 4. Take in views from 360 Chicago or Willis Tower. Want jaw-dropping views? Head to 360 Chicago or Willis Tower. At 360 Chicago, you're 1,000 feet above the city, and Willis Tower Skydeck has a glass ledge that's not for the faint-hearted. Fun fact: Willis Tower was the world's tallest building for 25 years. Number 3. Discover the Field Museum. The Field Museum is a treasure trove of history and science. Meet Sue, the largest T-Rex skeleton ever found, and explore 4 billion years of natural history. Over 1.5 million visitors come here annually to geek out on dinosaurs, mummies, and more. Number 2. Cruise the Chicago Architecture Boat Tour. Chicago's skyline is a masterpiece, and the best way to see it is on an architecture boat tour. These 90-minute cruises reveal the stories behind 50-plus landmarks. Did you know Chicago invented the skyscraper in 1885? Over 300,000 people take these tours yearly. Number 1. Experience a Chicago festival. Our number 1 pick? Chicago's world-famous festivals. From Lollapalooza's 400,000 music fans to Taste of Chicago's 1.5 million foodies, there's a fest for every vibe. The Air and Water Show draws 2 million spectators alone. Pro tip: check the city calendar. There's a festival almost every weekend. There you have it, the 10 best things to do in Chicago for an unforgettable adventure. From pizza to festivals, the Windy City has something for everyone. Which of these are you adding to your itinerary? Smash that like button, subscribe for more travel inspo, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. Oh, and share this video with your travel buddies.